Welcome to OPSC OS A to Z. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 80 जाए आम यूपीएससी कवर कर सारी प्रीवियस वीडियो रे जो मैंने देखी ना प्लेलिस्ट को जाके कवर कर सो लेट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 विथ रेफरेंस टू इंडियन हिस्ट्री अलेक्जेंडर रीड एच लॉन्गहस्ट रॉबर्ट सिवेल जेम्स बर्गिस एंड वाल्टर इलियट वेर एसोसिएटेड विथ तो यार करेक्ट आंसर होची archaeological excavation. So the right answer here is option A is your correct answer. Coming to question number 82, consider the following pairs sites देची well known for कहाँ पाई तो एटा देची बेसनगर it is लिखा है जी Saivite cave shrine no it's Vaishnavite so option 1 एठी incorrect है गला then Bhaja Buddhist cave shrine yes this is correct then Sitanav Bhashal is Jain cave shrine this is also correct so option B is the correct answer here option B only 2. So coming to question number 83, consider the following statement. Statement 1, 7th August is declared as a National Handloom Day. Yes, this is correct. And it was in 1905 that the Swadeshi movement was launched on the same day. This is the right explanation for this. And here is the correct answer is option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Coming to question number 84, consider the following statements in respect of the national flag of India according to the Flag Code of India 2002. So again this is quite confusing question though the statement 2 is correct here because the ratio of length to height of the flag shall be 3:2 this is correct and here 600 mm into 400 is also in 3:2 ratio but this is not the standard size of national flag and it's quite uh, impossible to remember all the sizes of the national flag so I think this is a skippable question and you can skip it but here the right answer will be so here the right answer will be option D right option D statement 1 is incorrect but the statement 2 is correct. Coming to question number 85, consider the following statement in respect of Constitution Day. The Constitution Day is celebrated on 26 November every year to promote the constitutional values among citizens. Yes, this is correct. Then, on 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India set up the drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to prepare a draft Constitution of India. Yes, drafting committee दो चेयरमैन B.R. Ambedkar का chairmanship under ହେଇଥିଲା but this is not the day when the drafting committee formed. Drafting committee formed ହେଇଥିଲା 2 years before that is I think on 29th August 1947 day so it is correct answer is option 1 is the correct answer but statement 2 is not correct so option C is the right answer here. Coming to question number 86, consider the following statement. Statement 1, Switzerland is one of the leading exporter of gold in terms of value. Yes, this is correct. Statement 2, Switzerland has the second largest gold reserve in the world. No. Second largest gold reserve कहाँ पाखरे अच्छी रशिया पाखरे अच्छी and fast gold reserve अच्छी fast rank अच्छी ऑस्ट्रेलिया so statement 2 टाइट incorrect है जाउची so statement 1 is correct statement 2 is incorrect it quite obvious that option C is the right answer here. So next question number 87, consider the following statements. Statement 1, recently the United States of America and European Union have launched the Trade and Technology Council. Then coming to statement 2, the US and European European Union claim that through this they are trying to bring technological progress and physical productivity under their control. Here the statement 1 is correct though, but statement 2 is incorrect because both have the coordinating approach. So option C is the right answer here. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Coming to question number 88, consider the following statements. Statement 1, India accounts for 3.2 of percent of global export of goods. No, this is incorrect. Uh, it is almost 1.8% of global export goods. So option 1 टाइट incorrect है. Many local companies and some foreign companies operating in India have taken advantage of India's production linked incentive scheme. Yes, PLI scheme रो बहुत जन advantage नहीं. So option 2 is the correct here and option 1 is incorrect. Option D is the right answer. Coming to question number 89, consider the following statement. The Stability and Growth Pact of the European Union is a treaty that limits the levels of the budgetary deficit of the countries of the European Union. Yes, this is, one second please. Yes, this is correct. Then makes the countries of the European Union to share their infrastructure facilities. This is incorrect. Enable the countries of the European Union to share their technologies. So ये क्वेश्चनटा स्किप करवा कथा मो हिसाब रे बिकॉज एते डिटेल्स रे केही भी पढ़ी नथिबे. सो हियर इज द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए ओनली 1. कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 90, excuse me, consider the following statement. Recently all countries of United Nations have adopted the first ever compact for international migration, the Global Compact for Safe, Orderly and Regular Migration. all the countries of United Nation. एटी इनकरेक्ट है. all countries नुहे. Maybe some of the countries. The objective and commitment of stated in GCM, that is your one second, global impact for safe, orderly and regular migration are binding on the UN member countries. This is also incorrect. GCM address international migration or internally displaced people also in its objectives and commitments. This is also incorrect. So none is the right answer. Option D. Coming to question number 91, with reference to home guards and consider the following statement. Home guards are raised under the Home Guards Act and rules of the central government. No, it comes under the state governments. So option 1 is incorrect. The role of the home guards is to serve as an auxiliary force to the police in maintenance of the internal security. This is correct. Coming to statement 3, the to prevent the infiltration on the international border and the coastal areas, the border wing home guards battalions have been raised in some state. This is correct. So option B is the right answer here, only 2. Coming to question number 92, with reference to India, consider the following pairs. Actions and the act under which it is covered. Unauthorized wearing of police and military uniforms, the Official Secret Act 1923. This is correct. Knowingly misleading or otherwise interfering with a police officer or military officer when engaged in their duties, the Indian Evidence Act. No, this is incorrect. Then coming to statement 3, celebratory gunfire which can endanger the personal safety of others comes under the Arms and Amendment Act 2019. So 2 pairs are correct here. So option B is the right answer. Coming to question number 93, consider the following pairs. North Kivu and Ituri. The reasons often mentioned in news and reason for being in news. the North Kivu and Ituri it's the part of Democratic Republic of Congo. So जोटा उगांडा रे अच्छी. So this is incorrect. Coming to statement 2, Nagorno-Karabakh insurgency in Mozambique नुहे एटा Azerbaijan अच्छी एटा जेतु एटा भी incorrect. First भी incorrect. Kherson and Zaporizhzhia dispute area between Russia and Ukraine. So it will be incorrect. So none of the above are correct. So option D is the right answer here. Coming to 94, consider the following statement. Israel has established diplomatic relations with some Arab states. Yes, this is correct. Then the Arab Peace Initiative mediated by the Saudi Arabia was signed by the Israel and Arab League. It's not mediated by any country. It's a standalone thing. So statement 2 is incorrect. The right answer is statement 1 correct and statement 2 is incorrect. So option C is the right answer here. Coming to question number 95, consider the following pairs with regard to the sports award. Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award for the most spectacular and outstanding performance by a sports person over period of last 4 years. So this is correct, last 4 years. Then Arjuna Award for the lifetime achievement by sports person. Arjuna Award mainly for excellence. Lifetime achievement award टा mostly retirement पर दिया जाए. So it option 2 टा incorrect है गला. And Dronacharya Award to honor the eminent coaches who have successfully trained the sports person or team. This is correct. राष्ट्रीय खेल प्रोत्साहन पुरस्कार to recognize the contribution made by the sports person even after their retirement. राष्ट्रीय प्रोत्साहन after retirement किसी need नहीं. So option 3 and option 1 correct है गला. So option B only 2 is the right answer here. Coming to question number 96, consider the following statement in respect of the 44th Chess Olympiad 2022. It was the first time that Chess Olympiad was held in India. Yes, this is correct. The official mascot was named after Thambi. Yes, this is also correct. The trophy for the winning team in the open section is the Vera Menchik Cup. No, it's Hamilton Russell Cup. So option 2, 3 incorrect है गला. The trophy for the winning team in the women's section is women's section रे Vera Menchik Cup. तो ए दुटा सेक्शन इंटरचेंज हो. सो ऑप्शन 3 and 4 इनकरेक्ट. 1 2 जेहेतु करेक्ट. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर हियर, ओनली 2. Coming to question number 97, consider the following pairs area of conflict mentioned in news country where it is located. Donbas is 1 second. Donbas is not in Syria. It's in eastern part of Ukraine. Then Kachin is in Myanmar, not in Ethiopia. And Tigray, it's in Ethiopia. So all three are incorrect. So none of the above are correct. Option D is the right answer here. Coming to question number 98. In recent years, Chad, Guyana, Mali and Sudan caught the international attention for which one of the following reasons common to all of them? So its answer is successful coup. So Peace and Security Council of African Union adopted a political transition process in Chad, Guyana, Mali and Sudan, and they are highlighted just because of successful coups. So option D is the right answer here. Coming to question number 99, consider the following heavy industries: fertilizer plants, oil refineries, steel plants. Green hydrogen is expected to play a significant role in decarbonizing how many of the above industries? All the 3. So option C is the right answer here. Coming to Question number 100. Consider the following statement about G20. The G20 group has originally established as a platform for the finance minister and the central bank governor to discuss the international economic and financial issues. Yes, this is correct. Digital public infrastructure is one of India's G20 priorities. This is also correct. So option सी द राइट आंसर बोथ 1 and 2 जेहेतु G20 एथर बहुत ही हाइलाइटेड एंड इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक हो जाउची ए वर्षर एग्जाम पे ताकू टिके डेप्थ रे एग्जाम आगु कवर करके जे ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ G20 समिट एंड को सिटी रे हेतला इंडिया रो एंड आर आउटकम्स कोन आ को मैंने सब जॉइन करथिले न्यू मेंबर कोन G20 रो लोगो कोन ए सब इम्पोर्टेंट सो थैंक यू एठी हमर यूपीएससी 2023 रो प्रिलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन टोटल क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस हो गला तो आई होप कि नेक्स्ट मु 2022 रो नेकी आसीबी होप एटा आपण मानक पई हेल्पफुल रहइबो थैंक यू।